Very good morning. How are you? Now, in this linear equation of two variable, how to solve the simultaneous equation? That we already cleared. Two methods have been completed. First method, that is equating coefficient method, or we can say elimination method or substitution method. And second method is a graphical method. Now my dear student, today we are going to study one of the important method called as method of determinant. Method of determinant, or it is called as a Cramer's rule. But before studying that method of determinant to solve the simultaneous equation, you should know what is meant by determinant. So my dear student, determinant is the chapter in the 11th mathematics, especially in the science stream. Okay, now you are completely unknown with the word determinant. लक्षात असू द्या. Determinant काय आहे? तर डिटर्मिनंट नावाचं एक चॅप्टर 11th मध्ये गेल्याच्या नंतर सायन्सला ऍडमिशन घेतली तर तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी शिकायला मिळणार आहे डिटर्मिनंट. पण त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन मात्र इथं 10th मध्ये आलेले आहेत. That is actually the fault of our education system, but we can't do anything. Okay, once it has been given in the syllabus, we should learn it, we should teach it. It's all. Is it clear? So what is the method of determinant? Before starting that method of determinant, we have to start what is exactly the meaning of determinant. What is the determinant? Let us see, a determinant is a mathematical operation. Determinant is a mathematical operation which consists of some horizontal lines and some vertical lines of the digit of the numbers. Remember, determinant is nothing but a mathematical operation which consists of some horizontal rows and vertical column. Let us see here. So, how to represent that determinant? Like that. It is represented by such a vertical lines. Such a vertical lines. How to read it? It is a determinant. You can denote it by capital letter, maybe capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, like that. Okay, and here it consists of some numbers in horizontal lines, like that, maybe 2, -4, okay, then 1, 1/3, like that. Determinant, the mathematical operation which consists of two vertical lines, and in that vertical, in between two vertical lines, some horizontal rows of the numbers are there, some vertical columns of the numbers are there, and that is read as determinant A is equal to 2, -4, 1, 1/3, like that. Okay, so remember that here these are the horizontal line. This is the first horizontal line called as first row, or we can say row number 1. This is another horizontal line called as row number 2. Right? See here. The next, this is the first vertical line called as column number 1. This is second vertical line called as column number 2. So in this given determinant, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. That's why it can be represented as 2/2 order determinant. 2/2 order determinant means it consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. Have you got? Or in general, see here, this is the determinant A, B, C, D, where A, B, C, D may be any real numbers. Got it? See here. So, is a determinant. Remember? Look at this. And this first row is A, B. Second row, C, D. First column, A, C. Second column, B, A. Let us see here. So, what is the order of determinant? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. That's why order of this determinant is also 2/2. Or it is called a degree of the determinant. Order of determinant or degree of determinant. Okay, see here. Now question arises, how to solve that determinant? Very simple. Let us see here how to solve that determinant. Okay, this is the determinant A, B, C, D. Okay, now how to solve? Do the cross multiplication of these two and minus cross multiplication of these two. Means value of this determinant is nothing but A into D minus B into C. See here, what is the value of determinant? Let us see here, AD minus BC. Means by using that rule, what is the value of this determinant? We can say it is equal to cross multiplication of these two means 2 into 1/3 minus here minus of 4 into 1. Okay, means here we can say it is equal to 2 by 3 minus minus plus 4, or it is equal to 3 as a LCM. Okay, 2 plus 12 means it is 14 by 3. That is the value of given determinant. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding to determinant? Determinant is a mathematical operation which consists of some horizontal rows of the number and some vertical columns of the number. And how to solve it? If A, B, C, D is the determinant, what is the solution of that? It is AD minus BC. Very simple. Any doubt? Now this is about the single determinant. How to find the value of determinant. But our question is how to solve the simultaneous equation by using the determinant. That we have to see next. See here. So this method of determinant to solve the simultaneous equation was given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. What is the name of the scientist? Gabriel Cramer. He was the Swiss mathematician from the Switzerland. Okay, Gabriel Cramer, and he has given one important method to solve the simultaneous equation by using the determinant. So question arises, how to solve the simultaneous equation by using the determinant. Let us here, suppose simultaneous equations are given, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Let this is equation number 1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. It is equation number 2. Now how to solve these equations? How to solve this simultaneous equation by using determinant? So let us here, Cramer has suggested that from these two equations create three determinants named as capital D, capital Dx, capital Dy. Okay, let us see how to create that. Look at this. So from that equation, D means first determinant. It consists of again 2 by 2 order determinant a1, b1, a2, b2. Means what is the first column? First column is nothing but the coordinates of x. Second column are nothing but coordinates of y. Because see here, look at this. Here a1, a2, these are the coordinate of x. b1, b2, these are the coordinate of y. So by using that, construct the first determinant, that is D is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, see here, which are our original equations? I am writing here also. Let us see here, our first equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. And second equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. See here. So how to construct the first determinant? Cramer suggested that by using that values. See here, a1, b1, a2, b2, construct the first determinant and solve it. Find the value of that determinant. So what is the value of that determinant? See here. Again, cross multiplication of these two means here a1, b2 minus b1, a2. Solve. Right? Then next, construct another determinant. This is determinant number 1. Now construct the another determinant. See here. Which one? Dx. So how to construct the dx? Second column remains as it is. Do not change the second column, but instead of these coordinates of x in the first column, write down two constants c1 and c2 in the first column. dx कसा तयार करायचा आहे? हाच डिटर्मिनंट ॲज इट इज घ्यायचा, दुसरा कॉलम ॲज इट इज ठेवायचा, y चे कोऑर्डिनेट ॲज इट इज ठेवायचे, पण dx काढताना x चे कोऑर्डिनेट उचलायचे आणि त्याच्याऐवजी कॉन्स्टंटच्या ज्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत आपल्या या स्टँडर्ड इक्वेशन मधल्या c1 c2 मधल्या त्या व्हॅल्यूज इथे ठेवायच्या. फिनिश अँड सॉल्व इट ऑल्सो. मग आता याची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल? दॅट इज इक्वल टू अगेन क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ दीज टू मायनस क्रॉस ऑफ दीज टू, c1 b2 minus b1 c2. Right? That is the value of dx. Then construct third determinant dy. How to find the dy? याच्यामध्ये थोडे बदल करून dy घ्यायचा आहे. आता डीवाय घेत असताना a1 a2 ॲज इट इज ठेवायचं, पण वायचे जे कोऑर्डिनेट आहेत b1 b2 ते उचलायचे आणि त्याच्याऐवजी पुन्हा हे कॉन्स्टंट c1 c2 घ्यायचे. एकदम सिंपल. आणि पुन्हा त्याला पण सोडवायचं आहे. मग याची व्हॅल्यू काय होईल? क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ दीज टू मीन्स a1 c2 मायनस क्रॉस ऑफ दीज टू दॅट इज c1 a2. तुम्हाला आतापर्यंत किती व्हॅल्यूज मिळाल्या? कॅपिटल डी मिळाला, dx मिळाला. आता हे आपल्याला इथे इक्वेशन दिसतंय, पण या ठिकाणी आपल्याला माहित आहे जर a1 b1 b2 a2 याच्या व्हॅल्यू जर माहित असत्या तर इथे एक नंबर आला असता, इथे एक नंबर आला असता, इथे एक नंबर आला असता. म्हणजे आपल्याला कॅपिटल डी मिळाला, dx मिळाला, dy मिळाला. राईट? सो हाऊ टू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x? रिमेंबर दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x. हाऊ टू फाइंड x? x is equal to dx upon d. Determinant dx upon determinant d. Whatever may be the value, just put, you will get the value of x. And how to find the y? How to find y? It is dy upon d. Is it clear? It is dy upon d. That will give the second value, that is y. In this way, we got the solution. What is the solution? Again, x comma y. Finish. This is the simple method called as the method of determinant, or it is also called as a Cramer's rule. Can you solve it? Very, very simple. Cramer's rule न simultaneous equation कसे सोडवायचे? How to solve the simultaneous equation by using Cramer's rule? अगर आपको simultaneous में दो equation दिया है, first equation क्या है? a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. That is equation 1. Second equation आपको दिया है a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. रिमेंबर माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आपके दोनों भी इक्वेशंस यही फॉर्म में होना जरूरी है. अगर कोई इक्वेशन आपको इस फॉर्म में दिया है, लेट अस हियर, अगर कोई इक्वेशन ऐसा दिया है 2x प्लस y माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0, तो ए इक्वेशन को आपको पहले ये फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. मतलब -5 आपको राइट हैंड साइड को लेना पड़ेगा. सो 2x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 5 and then use in the determinant. Okay, now how to find three values of the determinant? अगर इक्वेशन आपको दिया है तो ये तीन डिटर्मिनेंट आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है 2x2 ऑर्डर के. पहला डिटर्मिनेंट है d. ओके, d में क्या आएगा? जो भी x y के कोएफिशिएंट है जैसे कि वैसे उठाकर यहां पे रख दो, पहला डिटर्मिनेंट मिल जाएगा d. उसका वैल्यू फाइंड करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन a माइनस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन a, इसका वैल्यू मिलेगा. बाद में दूसरा डिटर्मिनेंट कंस्ट्रक्ट करो dx. dx में क्या करना है? dx कंस्ट्रक्ट करते टाइम आपको क्या करना है? यही डिटर्मिनेंट में थोड़ा चेंज करना है. x के जो कोएफिशिएंट है ये दोनों उठाना है, बाकी ये एज इट इज रखने का b1 b2. और x के कोएफिशिएंट के अलावा आपको क्या रखना है? कांस्टेंट टर्म्स रखना है c1 c2. फिनिश. अगेन यूज द सेम फार्मूला टू सॉल्व इट. बाद में dy कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है? dy के लिए यही डिटरमिनेंट उठा के रख दो, इसमें x के कोएफिशिएंट एज इट इज रखो, जो भी y के कोएफिशिएंट है उसको उठाकर बाजू करो और उसकी जगह पे कांस्टेंट c1 c2 रख दो. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन लेके जो भी फार्मूला, इन दोनों का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस इन दोनों का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आपको ये वैल्यू मिलेगा. एंड वंस यू गॉट d dx dy, use that formula to find x and use that formula to find y. Any doubt? Very simple. While solving the problem, you can find that this is simplest method to solve the simultaneous equation. See here. So one activity is given regarding to that. That is the activity from your textbook. To solve the simultaneous equation by determinant method, fill in the blanks. So two equations are given. Y plus 2x is equal to y plus 2x minus 19 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको कहा है अगर ये फॉर्म में इक्वेशन है तो उसको आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कौन सा? ax प्लस by इक्वल टू c. सो यहां पे -19 जो है यहां पे ले आओ, आपको +19 मिलेगा राइट हैंड साइड को. तो इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा? 2x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 19. दूसरा इक्वेशन ये +3 है, उसको राइट हैंड साइड को हटाओ, क्या मिलेगा? 2x माइनस 3y इज इक्वल टू 3. बराबर. तो देखो ये एक्टिविटी में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? ये d है, ये dx है. बाद में t और dx आपको मिल गया, ठीक है। आपको क्या करना है, टू सॉल्व द साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन यूज द स्मॉल वैल्यूज। ये dy यहां पे दिया है आगे, सो पहले आपको क्या करना है, d का वैल्यू निकालना है। देखो d कैसे हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, x y के कोएफिशिएंट एज इट इज, यहां x का कोएफिशिएंट कितना है 2 एज इट इज, राइट। यहां पे 2 है, ये 2 आया, y का इधर कुछ भी नहीं कोएफिशिएंट मतलब 1 है, राइट। ये -3 आया, वैल्यू भर दिया। अभी इसका वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे, ये दोनों का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन। देखो इधर मींस यहां पे 2 इंटू -3 दोनों का क्रॉस, सीयर ये दोनों का क्रॉस माइनस ये दोनों का क्रॉस, ठीक है। तो ये दोनों का 2 इंटू 1, 2 इंटू 1, तो वैल्यू क्या आएगा, लेट अस सी। सो 2 इंटू -3 मींस इट इज -6, right, and here 2 into 1 means it is 2. Okay, let us see here. So here -6 minus of 2 means here we can say, look at this, so it is equal to -6 minus 2, right, so it is equal to -8. Let us see here. Just put the values and do the calculation. ये दोनों का क्रॉस किया, 2 इंटू -3 माइनस, ये तो नेचुरल माइनस साइन है, बाद में ये दोनों का क्रॉस 2 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू, ये दोनों का क्रॉस है 2 इंटू 3 मतलब -6 माइनस एज इट इज 2, ओके। सो -6 माइनस 2 मतलब -8, पहला वैल्यू मिला। अभी dx कैसे निकालेंगे, while constructing the another determinant dx, हमें मालूम है x के जो कोएफिशिएंट है उसे उठाना है, उसकी जगह पे कांस्टेंट रखना है। तो पहला कांस्टेंट आया 19, दूसरा कांस्टेंट क्या है -3, राइट। और ये एज इट इज रखना है, यहां पे जो भी है -3 मतलब इधर क्या आएगा 1, ठीक है। ये जो है एज इट इज 1। सो डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन अगेन, 19 इंटू -3 माइनस -3 इंटू, देखो -3 इंटू 1, राइट। सो 19 इंटू -3, सी up 19 इंटू -3, so how much, minus how much, just you have to do the multiplication, 57, but it is minus, okay, minus, and then minus plus 3 or minus of -3, see here, right. So therefore it is equal to, now -57 minus plus 3 means it is -54, right. क्या क्या मिला आपको, पहले मिला d, बाद में मिला dx। ये देखो dx की वैल्यू कैसे निकाले, यहां पे कांस्टेंट मतलब 19 and -3, और यहां पे ये एज इट इज, ओके, 1 और -3, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस दिस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मींस इट इज इक्वल टू -57 माइनस ये +3 मतलब -54, दिस इज अबाउट dx। नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज dy, dy पे क्या करना है, ये x के जो कोएफिशिएंट है एज इट इज रखना है। कौन से थे x के कोएफिशिएंट, देखो 2 2, d में जो भी है 2 2 मतलब यहां पे आएगा 2, और यहां पे कांस्टेंट रखना है, 19 आया और ये है -3, राइट। सो डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 2 इंटू -3 माइनस ये दोनों का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मतलब 19 इंटू 2, सीआर। सो 2 इंटू -3 मीन्स इट इज -6, ये माइनस एज इट इज, 19 इंटू 2 मीन्स 38, right. So -6 minus 38 means minus how much, -38 minus 6 means -44, right. So how to find x, x is equal to dx upon d. What is dx, so dx we have already obtained -54, so x is equal to, see here what are the values of dx and d, dx is equal to -54, d is a -8, okay. So therefore it is minus 54 minus 8. Got it? Okay, now next, do this calculation, you will get x. And what is y? Dy upon d. So dy is a minus 44. And what is d? D is a minus 8. Again, do this calculation, you will get y. See here, d का value कितना है हमारा? 2, 2. Okay, then 1 minus 3. So 2 into minus 3, minus of 2 into 1. So it is equal to minus 6 minus 2, right? Minus 2 means that is equal to minus 8. So whatever may be the values, put here, you will get the values of x and y. So simple. Any doubt here? So next question, another one. What is another one? Complete the following activity. See here, complete the following activity. Look at this. What is the activity? Equation is given. 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. And another equation, 2x plus y is equal to 16. Okay. So determinant is given here. How to find d? How to find d? Look at this. D means just by taking the coordinates of x and y. So what is the coordinate of? Coordinate of x here, it is 3. Right. Then next, this x means it is 2. Here it is minus 2. Okay, and then 1. So what is the value of d? 3 into 1, 3. Minus of minus 4. Matlab plus 4, that is equal to 7. Now how to find dx? अभी dx की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? देखो dx में क्या करेंगे हम? ये -2 और 1 एज इट इज रखेंगे y के कोऑर्डिनेट. लेकिन ये जो x के कोऑर्डिनेट है वो उठा के उसकी जगह पे कांस्टेंट रखेंगे 3 और 16. ओके, सो 3 into 1 means 3 minus minus plus 32. 3 plus 32 means 35. राइट? हाउ टू फाइंड dy? dy में क्या करेंगे? x के कोएफिशिएंट एज इट इज d के, मतलब ये 3, ये है 2, और y के कोएफिशिएंट हटा के उसकी जगह पे कांस्टेंट 3 and 16. 3 and 16. So what is the value? 16 into 3, 48. Okay, 48 minus 6 means it is 42. Right? So what is the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule? What is x? X means मतलब dx upon d. तो dx कितना है? dx ये है 35 upon 7 means 5. ये मिल गया x. What is y? Y is a dy upon d. dy कितना है? 42. 42 upon 7 means it is 6. So x, y means we got 5, 6. That is the solution. Any doubt here? So this is one of the activity. Now next, it is practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3. So what is the first question? Fill in the blanks with correct number. Means in short, solve the determinant. So first is given, this is the determinant 3, 2, 4, 5. How to solve it? We know cross multiplication of these two, okay, minus cross multiplication of these two. So here 3 into 5 minus here 4 into 2. So 3 into 5 means it is 15, minus 8 means that is equal to 7. Finish. Solution. Very simple how to solve the determinant. Now next question number 1 में ये अलग अलग determinant दिए और what is the question? Question is find the values of following determinant. That is question number 2 in practice set 1.3 from our first chapter linear equation in two variable. So how to solve this? This is the first. Let us here solve one by one. What is one? This is the determinant. Now how to solve? Do the cross multiplication of these two. Okay, minus cross multiplication of these two. So here we can say minus 1, 7, 2, 4. That is equal to here 4 into minus 1 minus 2 into 7. So that is equal to minus 4 minus 14. That is equal to minus 80. Finish. Now another one. See here. Second question. What is the second question? 5, 3 minus 7, 0. How to solve? Do the cross multiplication of these two. Means that is equal to 5 into 0 minus of minus 7 into 3. So that is equal to 0 minus minus plus 21. So what is the value of determinant? 21. Finish. Okay. See here. Now next. Another one. This is number 3. So do the cross multiplication of these two minus cross multiplication of these two. Means that is equal to 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. Okay. See here. So here 3 get cancelled. So what is equal to? Equal to 7 upon 6 minus 5 by 2. So it is equal to 6 as a LCM. So 7 minus, multiply this by 3 to get the 6. So 5 into 3 means it is 15. So it is equal to minus 8 by 6 or minus 4 by 3. Okay. That is the value of given determinant. This is the value of first determinant, this is the value of second determinant, and this is the value of third determinant. See here. Got it? Any doubt here? So this is about how to find the determinant or value of the determinant and how to use the knowledge of determinant to solve the simultaneous equation. No doubt it has been given by the Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. That's why called as a Cramer's rule. Any doubt? इथपर्यंत काही अडचण असण्याचा प्रश्नच नाही. ठीक आहे, तर आज आपण इथेच थांबूयात. आता सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन क्रॅमर्स रूल कसे त्या ठिकाणी सोडवायचे हे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला पाहूया. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, थैंक यू.